Hi, my name is Sydney Clymer-Engelhart. It is December 14th, 2022. And for the introduction video, my goal in life is to become a nurse practitioner. My first step, though, is to get my BSN, and then from there, try to go into becoming a nurse practitioner, which involves more schooling after becoming a nurse. Hopefully, with that end goal, I want to be working with pediatric patients due to my love of children and wanting to help them in the future. I think children from any time are those who grow and become what our society is now. So striving and trying to help them be the best people that they can be, is what I want to do. In terms of this class with my professional career in the future, anatomy is one of the building blocks of the biological sciences, and knowing each and every part of that is very important as being able to work as a provider in the healthcare field. Without knowing the anatomical locations and what they do in the body, healthcare wouldn't exist. So I think anatomy, like I said, is a building block or a puzzle piece, and when you put the pieces together, it makes one big picture. And without having those puzzle pieces, you can never finish the puzzle and not know what a possible problem could be for a future patient that you have. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my intro video.